everyone, it's Claire. I do hope you're well. If you're a new subscriber, it's lovely to have you here. My channel is jewellery tutorials for complete jewellery beginners. I also have a website which I'll link below for you, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. And today I've got lots of new stock and restock that I normally would share on my Facebook. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. As I say, my tutorials are ideal for the complete jewellery beginner, very easy to follow. I'm quite a chatty person, you may or may not like that. So let me show you some of the stock that I have. First of all, we've got these lovely velvet drawstring jewellery pouches, and these are really well made. Normally you get them, the ends can fray or you can have bits of thread hanging, but these are lovely luxury jewellery bags, velvet, so they're lovely for Christmas. These have been restocked. These are purple enamel gold plated charms, very pretty. We also have them in pink. We have some green enamel shell charms. I'm still selling the an ocean charm set. It's always been really popular. There's a set of 16. We have some enamel pink daisy charms. These are ever so pretty. I also do these in other colours as well, but I thought I'd get some pink ones. And those are silver. Look at these. I absolutely love these. They give me gothic vibes, Valentine's, Halloween. I've only got 10 of those. These are 18 karat gold plated on a stainless steel base. So completely anti-tarnish, anti-rust. Lovely for your Christmas jewellery or minimalistic. You could easily put one of those on a very fine gold chain. Gold plated. Star charms. These are quite delicate, quite thin. But these are gold plated over irons, obviously a lot more cheaper. These are new and they're bangles. You put a cabochon. You would stick cabochons into them. Obviously I've got lots of cabochons on the website, and these have a twisted band, obviously very stretchy. So they're new. More gold Christmas enamel charms. Silver Christmas trees. These are nice and chunky. If you see the tutorial I did yesterday, it was Jewellery bracelets. And these are some other types of beads I have. The new stock. The video also tells you about how they're made as well. Very similar to making rock. Look at these Christmas beads. They're glass. Can't remember the actual size of them. I have got a ruler. There it is. They're about 28 millimeters. As you can see, they're nice and chunky. Great for Christmas. I sell these individually, like a lot of my stock. So you don't have to buy a whole strand. Think of it as like the sweets, pick and mix. Silver mitten enamel charms, and they have rhinestones. More mittens. These are gold behind with snowflakes. Look at these. Now I have a Halloween bead mix which is very popular, along with my Christmas mix that I will be sharing because I've got some more beads to add. These are purple pumpkins. These are made of resin. These are stainless steel lever back earrings. They just open like this, and they've got a little loop for you to put your dangles, whatever you're going to add on to them. These are very popular. They're the leaf charms, very good detail, and they're available in gold, silver, bronze and rose gold. So those have been restocked. I made some autumn bangles using those that were very popular. Gosh, I told you I had lots. More Christmas charms, Christmas trees. It's lovely getting to know my new subscribers as well, learning about you, and I really do take an interest. Love the different work that you do. I've got an email. In my description there is an email, so you're welcome to send messages, pictures of what you make, or any, any messages. Feel free, as long as you're not spammers. Look at those are pretty. Those are already selling. I've got orders to go out actually. If you turn them round, they have got faces on the front. They have got faces on. We also have them in silver. Not sure if they stand up. No. Sometimes you can get them that stand up. You can see I've spent a lot of money on all of this, so please check out the website. I do this all for you. And also, if you don't know, I have a very small rescue for a feather and fins, and after my bills are paid, it all goes to them. I also support some charities as well. I love grey squirrels and ratties. Merry Christmas charms. They're a new stock. Let's say you shop on eBay, you have to buy like packs of 10 or something. Obviously you don't with me. You buy them individually. These are great. Halloween. Bat charms. I do have wing charms. I'll have to show you a picture of them. For making your Christmas angels. Gemstone cabochons, again these are new. Blue lace agate. And these are 8mm, so they will fit an 8mm setting. Simply add a dab of glue and you can turn them into a ring, necklace, bracelet, earrings. Lots of settings available on my website. We have amethyst, and again, I think everyone thinks amethyst is pure purple. As you can see with these, I mean, everyone is different. I do already have some, but they have like inclusions in them, although they're polished. And I will try, if you do order two, if you were to order in pairs, I will try my best to pair them up for you. Lapis lazuli. You'll see the ring light reflecting. Those are blue. Lots of blue, hardly any grey at all in those. And lastly, we have malachite. That's a new stock in that size. Oh, those were new, but I made a bracelet yesterday using these. So those are new stock as well. So thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, which is a Thursday or whenever you're seeing this, and happy crafting. Take care.